How to turn off notification on Gate.io application. Are you guys facing issues to turn off notification on Gate.io application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Gate.io application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now again click on your username. Now select preferences. After you enter the preferences icon, you'll be provided with multiple options over here. Just click on push settings. Now click on notification. Just turn off all these options. Once you turn off these options, you won't get notification from Gate.io application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna turn off notification on Gate.io application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.